Welcome back, Elock Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome to my home, garden, and lifestyle channel. If you like what you see, hit that like button. All right, let's make some turkey wraps. Let's go into the garden. What do we want to put in our turkey wrap? Swiss chard. Let's grab some collards. Let's grab some mustards. It's best to take the outer leaves so that the inner leaves continue to grow. Okay. So we've got some mustard greens, Swiss chard, collard, and another piece of Swiss chard. Let's take this inside and make some turkey wraps. Take some of this onion too. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.